Good morning, dosto. Hello, guys. In this series of this C lecture, we have going to discuss about the 11 topics. The first topic is basic introduction of C. We also know that there are so many languages: C, C++, Java, Python, and so on. But I started from C because C is the mother tongue of any language. So in this 11 point we discuss in this lecture, there are first is basic introduction, why C, why important, second is what is C, why is so important, and third flowchart diagram in any language rather than C, C++, या Java, any one language. Flowchart and algorithm is the basic needs of any language. In this in this top point, we have discussed how our any program done, and how it is run, compiled, etc. And fourth point is operator. There are so many operators: arithmetic operator, logical operator, arithmetic operator, logical operator, and or not, and so many etc. They all the operators help us to make our program easy, runs our program with a logically concept. In any program you make, must keep it in your mind, you have only two things. First is logic, and second is your language, in which language you, if you command on these 2 points, you have become a good programmer. Fifth point is interactive and non-interactive program. What do you understand by interactive program and non-interactive program? The sixth point is control statement, like jump statement, switch case, and so many. And her seventh point is loop, while loop, for loop, do while loop, and so many. There are mainly three loop you use: for loop, or while loop, and do while loop. Mainly three loops are used in this all program. Okay. And 8 is string, and 9 is array, and 10 is function, and 11 is structure and pointer. In this lecture of the C, we have discussing about 11 topics, and mainly all the programs are running in Turbo C, C++, and Visual Studio Code. Turbo C, C++ is the basic of assembly, basic programming, because it helps to run with low level language. And Turbo C++ understand you the feeling of how this works. Visual Studio is high level language. It helps to store how our program run in both the scenario. Turbo C++ helps you to run in connectivity with low level to high level, and Visual Studio Code is high level. So in this lecture we run all the program in this both section, Turbo C++ and Visual Studio Code. Uh, in we have only started with C, then C++, then Java, and DSL. Our focus on starting with C, because C is the basic bone of any language. Without it, we can't go ahead in any language. So, if you have said that C is the also a skeleton system of any language. Thank you.